Hello guys! In this video, we're going to show you how to use the Save and Continue for Elementor Forms plugin. This feature allows your users to save their progress while filling out a form and continue later without losing any data. Let's see an example. I have here our job application form. I chose it because it's quite long and it would be difficult to complete in one go. Now, I'll fill in a few fields and see how I can save my progress. I'll fill out part of this form. Hit the Save and Resume Later button. Then, as you can see, the form tells me that my entry has been saved. A unique link has been generated which allows me to return and complete the form later. I have two options here. I can copy the link directly and save it somewhere safe, or I can enter my email address and receive the link by the email. So in this case, I'll enter my email and click Send Link. Now the link has been sent to my inbox. Check the email to see it. There is the new email. So whenever I'm ready, I can open the link and continue filling out the job application form exactly from where I left off. So that's exactly how the feature works. Now let's go ahead and set it up together. First, make sure you have installed and activated both Elementor Pro and the Save and Continue for Elementor Forms plugin on your WordPress website. Next, edit a page with Elementor that contains your form. Select the form widget. Go to the Actions after Submit panel. Add the action Save and Continue. Then the Save and Continue section is displayed. That's it. You can publish and view the form with the Save and Continue Later button. See, the button appeared. Moving on to the Configure settings. We have link text. This is the label that will appear on your form button. By default, it says Save and Resume Later. Confirmation page display message. This is the message your users will see right after they click the Save button. Let's try and see the message. There it is. Go ahead. Enable email notification. If you switch this option to yes, users will be able to enter the email and receive the resume link directly in their inbox. Email notification message. Here you can customize the email template. Make sure to include the shortcode resume link, because that's where the actual resume link will appear. Display message. This is the confirmation message that appears once the email has been sent to the user. Here it is. You can change all of them to any text you prefer. You can also use shortcodes to dynamically insert form data into your messages or emails. Now let's try adding a shortcode to see how it works. I'll add the name field shortcode into the email notification message. So I just copy the shortcode, paste it here, save the changes, and now let's test it out. I'll fill in the form, hit the Save and Resume Later button, enter my email, then open the email to check. We will see the username displayed in the message. That's it. With just a few simple steps, you can improve your forms by giving users the ability to save their progress and continue anytime. Install the plugin today. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.